tagline is live a page turner, leave a legacy. And I want you to share what does that mean to you?
That that is a very personal thing to me. And it sort of just became my tagline. It is how I strive to live. And we all need those reminders, right? So when I help someone, or whether I'm doing this myself, when I help someone preserve some stories of their past, or look at the redemptive value in a story that they might not have been able to see at that time, we're looking at the past and preserving it in a way. My specialty is writing, but preserving it in a way so that it is a legacy for the future. But what about right now?
Right.
What about right now? And I was really inspired by, in Joshua, where God is just about ready to lead the Israelites across the Jordan River, and they are being asked to do probably one of the hardest things they have ever had to do. And in order to receive one of the greatest blessings that they've ever gotten to receive. And God is about ready to do this huge thing for them. And they have this huge obstacle called the Jordan River, right? And God parts that. And we all kind of know this story. God parts that, and they walk across, and, the promise is there, but God says, you know what, go back to where I am right now. Stop right now and grab 12 stones.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about, the stone stories. And so when we post this video, I will be happy to write down the actual scripture passages to some of the. But God is asking these people to stop in the moment and remember and preserve the story right then and there in a way that future generations will ask, what does this mean? And so live a page turner. I get a little bit goosebumpy and emotional thinking about it, because it's not always a natural thing. But live a page turner to me means first, live in a way that that you'll want to repeat in writing. And but it also is a way for you to live in a way, but also stop and be present and look at how God is present in the here and now, not just in the past. And when you live that way, it gives you more purpose, and it gives purpose to the everyday things. And God intersects our lives. I like helping people see how God has intersected and a weave or a thread throughout the timeline of their life. But also, it's not just for the past, it's for the present, and then we can preserve that in a way that is a legacy for the future. Does that make sense?
It makes